think it's working. I don't even know if it's even working. I guess we'll... Hi guys! So, I have a tiny video camera and I went shopping and I had the idea to make burgers. I'm gonna stuff them with blue cheese, see what happens. So, yeah, let's see what happens. Always wash your hands because touching ground beef is... Oh wait, I worked at the Renaissance Fair. It's so icky, and it's more icky if you don't wash your hands. Icky. Okay, so I got these burgers, and I don't know how to stuff them. So I'm gonna run with it. Okay, so I've never stuffed ground beef in my life. So I'm gonna frame this up better. This sucks. Here. Production value at its finest. Better. Okay, so I've got these lovely pre-portioned patties of meat. I don't know. They look lovely. I don't know. I'm not sure how to do this. So I'm just kind of smashing it on the thing here. Yeah. Who said cooking can't be fistacular? Everybody ever said that. Okay, I've got some blue cheese here, and now I'm putting this in here. Putting some blue cheese in the thing. Because I know how to cook. Because I've always boasted how I'm all like, oh yes, I am a man who can cook because I know how to cook. But I don't know how to cook. I am not a good cooker. And now wrap it and reform it into another lovely patty again, only now with added blue cheese. Okay, I think that looks good. That looks like a round burger patty, yeah? Alright, so there's one. This is how a cooking do. I've got 12 of these. Oh my god. What have I done? Make yourself into a nice little ball. Okay, bitch slapping it works better. Okay, that worked. So now I'm gonna chop a veggies. I'm gonna chop a veggies so that I can saute them and then put them on my burgers. Cause I can. I don't know. I'm gonna need a knife. Knife.
Where's the knife?
Found it. Be careful, kids. Knives are sharp. Cut this open. Got a nice onions here. I'm gonna put them. See it. Cut the nubbin off. Apple pan. Pineapple pan. It's an onion. It's an onion. Peel the yuck off here. Probably getting a lot of good onion here, but I don't care because I didn't exactly trust the onions around it, so it's onion brethren. So I'm gonna take off an extra layer so that I can be sure I won't be poisoned, 'cause that would suck. Okay, here we go. Okay. Cut this bad boy. It's a bad boy. It's just such a naughty boy. I'm gonna cut this in half. Start doing these. because I guess. Yay! Because, you know, I don't want them to be, you know, diced, because they're going to go in with the mushrooms. You gotta have your snakes with your mushrooms. Some of you will get that. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's starting. Oh, no! Oh! Oh, God, it's bad. Okay, there we go. There goes that side. That side's done. Yeah. Oh! Ah! No. Oh, it's so bad. Ah! No, shoot. No. Oh, no. No. Oh, my God. Fuck. Oh, God. No, baby kitty. All right, number 2. I'm cutting ogres, because ogres are like onions, so onions must be like ogres, right? Oh, oh God, such a baby. Oh! No! It's so bad. It's so bad. Oh, 1/2 more to go. Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, God. Okay. That's all onions. Oh, God. That's brutal. Oh, God. The nice thing is I didn't need to buy as many mushrooms because I already have half of a container of these baby Bellas. They're miniature my mom's. My mom's name is Bella. And I'm probably doing this all wrong because, like I said, I've got friends who are actual cooks, who are like chefs, professional chefs. And my God, they cook amazing. And I'm like, I will never be like you. All right, so now I'm gonna do this. We've got these. Light these bad boys up. Now, I like to use coconut oil because Mommy says it's healthy and it's good for me. Spoon. Coconut oil. Okay. Get this going. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Yes. So this one, put these in here. It'll cook down. It'll cook down. Oh! Ah, I put too much. Oh, God. It's everywhere. Oh, man. Now. God, I wish you guys could be here to smell this. It smells so good. I could eat it. Yeah, it's starting to cook down now. Look at this. It's actually starting to look like something. Not really. They're starting to look more like meatballs. Like the cotolette my grandmother makes. Alright. So, I'm going to montage the rest of this so that I can turn on music while I'm doing this. I'm going to montage the rest of this. And I'll see you when it's done. it's done. I made a bunch. Got burgers. Warm. God, I love meat. I got a little Swiss cheese here. I got it. Put that on there. Nice. And my delicious. That doesn't like me. I like it, but it doesn't like me. Story of my life. On a nice bun. And voila. It's a burger, I think. So, I hope you guys liked this video. It was totally off the cuff and pulled out of my butt. But, well, I planned some of it on the fly, thinking, oh, I'll edit it later. Yeah, I'll edit it later. Fuck. But yeah, so I made it. It looks great. And, well, it looks great. We'll see if it tastes great. Here. See if it tastes great. As great as I hope it does. God, I hope it doesn't suck. 'Cause man, there'll be a lot of time wasted. That is absolutely fantastic. I mean, I know this is a concept that works. I just haven't mastered it because this is my first time trying it. And it might have helped if I had a grill. But I didn't. Well, I do. But it's outside and it's dark and not exactly conducive to making videos. Because cooking safety is not a priority over video making. God, I'm dumb. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope to see you in the next video that I make eventually. Okay, later.